we fly our drone there, and too bad we lost the drone. And welcome back to our channel.
So we're hello. We're here. We're at our destination at our cabins, and they're really small. What's better than nothing? And it's very better than a tent.
So this is the Blue River Campground. It's 4 hours away from Camrose, and we're already here, British Columbia. So let me show you our nest for the night. That tiny cabin there. Yeah, that's where we're gonna stay. So guys, they have also some trailer and camping grounds, and their amenities have Wi-Fi, laundry, and they have a store. And I think they can also rent canoe over there. So we're just gonna check in, and we'll see, and we'll show you our room later. Bye. Keep watching.
Can we play the basketball today? Can we play the basketball today?
Hello guys, so this is our nest for the night. Yeah, so this is the room. They have like a queen bed and a sofa bed, so we can fit 3 to 4 person. And there's a heater. There's a heater over there and a fan. So this is the Blue River Campground, and it's $64 per night during summer. So yeah, so this is a no smoking area inside here, and they provide sleepers. So I have my own sleeper here. Oh man, they provide sleepers. And checkout time is 11 a.m. and there is Wi-Fi here in the campground. And there are also lots of campsite and trailers for outside. So this is their mini cabin. So it's nice. Little baby here is trying to get some sleep. So we're gonna just settle down, bring our stuff in, and take note, they don't have pillows provided. So to make you comfortable, bring your own pillows. And yeah, we'll see you later. We'll just have to settle down all our stuff and prepare our supper, and I'll catch up later. See you guys.
Welcome back again. So now is day 2 of our camping trip, and we are gonna eat our breakfast in the heavenly gazebo right there.
Let's go. Let's go, Ethan.
So
Let's go.
where you might get wet. You got a grill, you got a fridge, and you got some chairs, and you got a sink up there.
Oh,
you
a
got
sink for washing.
And
Sink
then,
for washing.
and then we have the food. So we
Yay.
have spaghetti, the holy spaghetti. We made this sandwiches, and totally not from Subway. And this is a watermelon, if you didn't know. I think this is a pie. And then we have some drinks here, too, Canada Dries. But we have more. Water, bread, beef, and bread over there. And some plates.
May heater rin. There's
There's
heater.
a heater. There's a chimney thingy. Stove with a small table there.
This is free.
Yep.
You can use this also.
Yeah, you can use these. No? Yeah, I think you have to wash them though. So yeah, we'll be
Ano
eating all
yung pan mo? It's his birthday today.
Don't close.
Sige. Just keep going.
What do you mean by got caught by the Hell's Gate?
Yeah, because they said it's a little
Oh.
It's like it was sucked in there.
Oh.
Hello guys, so a quick update of our activities for today. It's supposed to be we're going to the Blue River safari, but then it's raining as you can see, and it's quite chilly outside, so we went there and checked it out, but the lady there said she won't recommend it, that we go on a safari tour because it's raining and it's cold. So we went to another place called the Hell's Gate. I forgot. I'll just show you in the video. But it's good. Oh, baby, got the baby here. It's okay. So we fly our drone there, and too bad we lost the drone. Hello, so after we buy some stuff here at the convenience store, we're going back to our campsite and cook and have our dinner and maybe stay at the cabin. So yeah, it's raining, we can't do anything. We want to go to the lake and do paddle boarding, and the kids will just go swimming, but it's so cold for them too. So yeah, it's a bad day, it's raining. So we'll see you later at our campsite. Hi, say bye. Say yes, say yes.